Hi guys, welcome back to the Turismo Diaries. It's time to change the air filter on the Celica, and as we've been taking part in a couple of motoring events, I thought I'd go for something a bit more performance orientated, and that's why we're going to install this K&N air filter. A lot of the customer reviews sing the praises of the K&N air filters from a performance and economy point of view. We haven't put the car on a dyno to do some scientific before and after comparison, but we're going to install it and then we'll take the car for a ride and see if we notice anything different. So the air filter is located under this cap here. There's a clip here which we're going to undo. There's this we need to just remove. It's a simple blade connection, so we just need to tuck it behind there. There's a small pipe connection here, another clip here. This electrical connection, you want to push this down and just loosen that up. Remove that and tuck that out of the way, and there's also a small holding bracket here. Just want to tweak that out. Okay. And I believe there's another clip just down here as well. Finally, the actual air pipe itself. Just want to unscrew that. If you're having a little bit of trouble, use some GT85 just to loosen the dry bolts. Okay, so you want to just take this off first. Okay, and that should come away quite easily. There are some holding brackets, one there and one under there, so just make sure you're pulling away from those, and that's it. Let's put that to one side. And there you can see we have the old air filter. It's not in too bad a condition. I think I changed this around 10,000 miles ago, but I say we're going for a more performance orientated version. So let's have a look at what we've got in here. So there we have the new air filter. Put that to the side. What else have we got? Some hints on installing the air filter. Congratulations, thank you. What else have we got? And a sticker, nice. Okay, put those to one side. Take out the new air filter. There we go. And quite simply, just place it on top, just like that. Snug fit. There we go. Just make sure it's flat all the way around, nice and pressed in. Okay, and then if we can then replace, so the first thing to do, you want to do it in reverse order really. You want to grab the airflow pipe first, because this is the most rigid of all the connections. Stick that back in there until it gets to that point, and we know it's as far on as it needs to be. Tuck that underneath there, and then just move all the other pipes out of the way just to make sure we're not trapping anything in, and then hopefully it should just fall back into place. Clip down there, snap that back on, bring this electrical connection back, push that in there, that back on, clip, pipe, clip, and then just screw that hand tight, nothing more than just hand tight for anything really. That's about it, perfect. Just have a quick look around. So we're in on the bottom there, in there, clip, clip, pipe, connection, and then the last thing was, there you go, so that's all we double check. And that's it, and that's how you install your air filter. Well guys, I hope you found that useful. It would be really nice to get 20 likes on this video to really try and help the channel grow. I've got loads more planned as we take part in more and more events. Who knows how far I'm going to take it. So just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.